Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that has the power to change our lives, our relationships, and our world. That something is the power of words. Words have the power to inspire, to motivate, and to uplift. They also have the power to hurt, to harm, and to destroy. The words we speak have a profound impact on ourselves and those around us. When we speak positive words, we create a positive atmosphere. We inspire others to do the same. And we create a ripple effect of kindness and compassion. On the other hand, when we speak negative words, we create a negative atmosphere. We bring others down, and we create a ripple effect of hurt and harm. So, let's make a conscious effort to use our words wisely. Let's choose to speak positive words that uplift and inspire others. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.